Hey everyone, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename a branch in Git. It's very easy to do. So first thing first, we're going to do git branch dash dash list so you can see what branches we have. We have a branch called beta and a branch called master, okay? We are currently on the beta branch and we want to change the name from beta to production. So in order to do that, we're going to use git branch and then -m, which is short for dash dash move. Okay, so we're going to do the branch that we're on and then the branch we want to rename it to as the second argument. Okay, so in this case, beta is the branch we're on and production is what we want to name the branch to. So we go ahead and do it, and boom, you can see right here, because we're using the ZSH cell, it shows what branch we're on. For example, if I do git branch dash dash list again, you can see that now we only have master and production. Okay. I also want to show you a few other things. Okay. So if you are on a Windows machine or you want to change it, change the branch name to something that is case sensitive, then you may have to use -m with a capital M instead of a lowercase. Okay. That's important to know. Also, you don't have to give it two arguments if you're already on the branch. And what I mean by that is if you're already on the branch you want to change, you could just do -m and then the new name, okay? Boom, it changes it. So you don't even have to do two arguments if you're currently on that branch, okay? So now our branch is called new name, okay? So that, my friends, is how you change a Git branch name. If you have any questions about it, then go ahead and leave them down below. And make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo, if you want to find the best web hosting companies and promotions. If you have any questions about Git or this tutorial, leave them down below and I'll be more than happy to help you and get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.